I have a question for y'all. Why do people buy motorcycles? I genuinely don't know. Like, why would anybody willingly put their life on the line, put themselves at risk, and for what? What do you gain or get out of getting a motorcycle? Like, please. I mean, let's be real. I could spend the same amount of money on a decent car and get the same amount of speed that I can get on a bike, realistically anyway. So for people to willingly spend the money on that, I don't know. I will never understand.